In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check iCloud Mail. If you want the quickest way to see your iCloud emails from virtually any device, Windows, Mac, or even a phone or tablet, the browser method is the simplest and most consistent. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any modern browser you already use. Head to the iCloud website and look for the option to open iCloud Mail. You'll be asked to sign in with your Apple ID. This is the same account you use for your Apple services. Enter your credentials carefully, making sure you're on the official iCloud site before you proceed. Once you're signed in, click Mail. This takes you straight into your mailbox. The inbox is front and center, and your messages will begin loading automatically. Give it a moment, especially if you haven't checked your mail in a while or you're on a slower connection. As soon as your messages appear, you can click any email to open and read it. The message content will display on the screen, and you can navigate back to the inbox whenever you're ready to look at another one. One of the key advantages of using iCloud Mail in a browser is that everything stays in sync. If you read a message here, it will show as read on your other devices that use the same Apple ID. That means you can check your mail on a Windows PC at work and pick up exactly where you left off on your phone or tablet at home without missing anything. If you're expecting a new message and don't see it right away, use the refresh option in the Mail view to prompt a quick update. This is especially helpful if you know an email was just sent to you or you're waiting for a time-sensitive message. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. A brief connection drop can delay the latest emails from appearing. If you sign in and don't see the Mail option on the iCloud homepage, it may mean you haven't created an iCloud email address for this Apple ID yet. In that case, Mail won't appear until an iCloud email is set up on your account. That's all there is to it. Open a browser, sign in at the iCloud website, click Mail, and check your inbox. It's fast, secure, and works the same way across devices, making it a reliable way to stay on top of your email wherever you are.